welcome to my channel, guys. So today I'm gonna cook some food and my plans to go video it. So watch my video, like, share, comment, subscribe, show some love. It's gonna be a good one because my lover catch some barracuda fish today, so I'm gonna cook some nice food. And yeah, stay tuned. Yeah. Seasoning my fish so I can cook them later with some barracuda earlier on in the day, rising, and we'll put them to fry right now. Yummy. I don't know how we season to mix up that with some lots of goodness. Don't know the thing, nice and neat. You see now whenever you alright. Sienna. Black pepper, pink salt, because you know probably I want to know them big grain if you know use them kind of salt, because them are right salt still. I have some leftover quinoa we make from last night, but me I got transfer to the fish, make it more excellent.
A special dish.
In this, onions, tomato. What is name again? Pumpkin. Seasoned quinoa, well seasoned, well nice. Trust me, guys. If you guys could taste some of this, you don't want it. But I'm going to turn off this kind of food for the next time. Yeah, and we have some more active rice over this. And also, we have some mushroom in another pot here. Yeah, some mushroom in this pot right here. Seriously. One cayenne pepper. One guava and a piece of pear and some honey. We're gonna blend up that and two big nice sour sauce. Hey, we're gonna deal with them right now. See that, guys? Food full Zion. I want okra, I'm gonna put that in the door. Yeah. Mr. Eyelash Plus, what are you? And then of course we have to top off the night, the evening time, with a sweet potato pudding, because we're not leaving out that, guys. So yummy, so great. It was a beautiful day. Thank you for watching. This was when my food was finished, guys. Thank you for watching my video.